Hello, friends. Well, look, it's our friend the Messy Monster. Hello, Messy Monster. So what are you doing today? You want to draw a ladybug? Sure. That sounds like a fun idea. So what do you say? Shall we get started? Let's start with the big round oval. Just like that. Then, we'll draw a straight line to divide the head and body. Now you can draw another straight line for the wings, like this. Then we can move on to the feelers. Remember, each ladybug has 2 feelers. Now we can start with the tiny legs, like this. 1 leg, 2 legs, 3 legs, 4 legs, 5 legs, and finally the 6th leg. Then you can add the dots by drawing little circles like this. Now that looks perfect. When you've done that, you can add your color. Red and black should work fine. What do you think of this awesome ladybug, Messy Monster? And it looks like all the other ladybugs want to play along with it. That's so cute, Messy Monster. Well, it looks like that's all we have time for today. Until next time, Messy Monster. Bye-bye!